Period. Y'all gonna be seeing me out in the streets with my new Louis V. Looking sexy, wee wee. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who do not know me, my name is Yana. For those of you who do know me, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Louis Vuitton bag on the go MM, which is like the medium size. I got it in the color Turtle Dove. It's like a nude color, so we're gonna open this together. I already went to the store and bought it, but this is my first time opening it since I bought it like a week ago, so we're gonna share the experience together. Made me decide to get this bag this was the perfect time because my birthday just recently passed and I needed a new everyday bag. I just needed something new that I could just wear. I have a lot of mini bags and I wanted something like, you know, not something huge, but a medium-sized bag that I would like. Let's get right into this. Ugh. This comes in a really big box. So it comes with the ribbon on top, and I can't even take this off. It's like, okay, that works. So yeah, I haven't opened this bag yet. This is my first time unboxing it since I bought it. And so, oh yeah, I have the receipt. I was like, where's my, anyways. So yeah, it's not that big. It comes just this big box. So, put this a little bit here. And it comes with a dust bag, of course. And voila. And this is the color Turtle Dove. It's a cute color. I like the nude. I never had a nude bag before. This is a receipt. So before tax, the bag is $3,200, and after tax I paid $3,476. So yeah, you know, it gets a little pricey out here, but yeah, I love the color. Inside of the bag, it's also nude as well, and it's like a suede texture. It does have like a cellophane, not a cell phone, but like a little pouch for your phone and for your keys. So it's like two pouches. I want to see if my phone can fit. My phone could barely fit in this, and I have like the regular size iPhone. But yeah, so it could fit your phone. And then so you have these two shoulder straps where you could wear the bag like, you could wear it like this. That's fly. Or you could wear it like this. You can hold it with the handles. You can put the straps inside like this. And so my favorite part of the bag is actually the monogram right here, the small size monogram, and then I like how it like gets bigger in the base. So the bag has a lot of gold hardware, which I'm gonna probably most likely be wearing with it, mostly gold. But nah, this bag is so freaking cute. I like it even more now that I have it with me at my house. I went to the Louis store to look at the bag. I already seen it online, and I definitely like this color more than the black color, if that's what it's called, if it's just black. It's just called black. I like this color more than the black. It just shows how rich the bag is with this color alone. Like, it's just so cute. And yeah, so I got this for myself for my birthday. I needed to treat myself. I've been working so freaking hard, and I didn't know what to get myself. At first I wanted a Chanel bag, but when I went to Chanel, they were really like out of stock of everything that I wanted, and then the bags that they did have left, I wasn't too fancy of, so I just went to Louis Vuitton because Louis don't do me no wrong. I have so many Louis bags, so that's like my favorite brand. But yeah, so when I went on the site, I saw this bag, and when I went in person to see it, this was literally the last bag left in the store. So I had texted the sales associate that helped me like a week later to see if they still had it, and they did. So when I came back from vacation, I came to pick it up, and yeah, so I have the bag. I actually did find another compartment. They have like a little zipper, a little pocket here that you could put some stuff in. So it does have a lot of space, and I feel like this was the perfect size for me because I don't like overly large bags. Like, I like medium bags. I don't like to stuff my bags with a lot of things, and I feel like this just carries everything that I need to carry. Like, Let me show you. I could probably do a little what's in my bag right now. So this is like my every day-to-day like black bag that I use, and like my AirPods could fit in this little, oh yeah, my AirPods could fit in that little pocket right there. So let me see how everything would fit. Stay still. All right, this is my full-size wallet. I have two wallets. I have a card holder and I have a wallet. My wallet. These two in here. I like how that pocket, so I like how this little compartment right here, I like how it's very like hidden. Like honestly, I didn't even notice the pocket at first, so I love that you can't really tell there's a pocket there. My charger in here. And then this is my card holder. So I can put my card holder in the little pocket as well. So this is how the inside looks with all the things that I put in it. And yeah, so like honestly, like I really don't need a huge bag. Like those little things itself can hold it in, and the bag doesn't feel heavy. Like, you know how you have some bags that are really light, and as soon as you add one little wallet in there, it's like so heavy. This bag still keeps its like weight, if you get what I'm saying. I like that a lot. I'm gonna try my best not to have any like lip gloss in this bag or any liquids, because being that the inside is a light suede color, it looks like it's easy to get dirty or any like messes on it. So I'm gonna try to be very careful about this bag. I love this bag. Oh my god, I think this is gonna be my favorite bag. Well, my new favorite bag. I have so many Louis bags that I literally just keep in rotation like every day of the week. But this is like, this could be my new everyday bag, for real, for real. But yeah, I'm gonna be very careful because nude is like, So I'm gonna let you guys know what size this bag is. The length is 13.8 inches. So the length is 13.8 inches. The height is 10.6 inches. And the width is 5.5 inches. So that's a pretty good size. I could probably fit a MacBook in here. Let me see. So if I was to bring my book, my laptop, it could fit right in. Yeah. So it's a pretty good size. So for those of you who like go to work or school and you need to bring your laptop around, it could definitely hold your laptop. The straps, it says these straps right here are 24 centimeters. So that's literally enough to like, this is definitely enough. It's more than enough. I like that it's not gonna hang too low, and I like that it's not too high. Like it just fits, it's just the right size. Like, I really love that it has two options on how to carry the bag. So you can either carry it on your shoulder, or you can just carry it, yeah, like this, or like this, like that. You can bring this like for everyday use. This is something that you can go somewhere like casual, not formal, but like you could pair a little dressy outfit with this. This is definitely giving me a nice fall look though, with some nice cute booty heels and some jeans and something, like it's giving. You can hold it like this, or you can hold it like this. So it's not even that big. Yeah. Perfect for traveling. Perfect for anything, honestly. Like, this is really, honestly, this is really fire. Like, this is really, I think this might be, I might like this bag more than a Neverfull bag, actually. Because Neverfull is my favorite day-to-day bag, but with these straps, it makes a huge difference. Like, and it just comes right up to here, up to my waist. I like it. There you go, hold it like this. Like that. Period. Y'all gonna be seeing me out in the streets with my new Louis V, looking sexy, wee. Let me know how you guys like this unboxing haul. Also, if you guys do have this same bag, or if you do have it in the black color or the turtle dove color, How do you like it? Question down below if you have any questions about the bag that you were curious about. Guys, what are some things that you guys like about this bag? What are some things that you guys don't like about this bag? If you guys are not subscribed yet, please give me a sub, give me a like on this video, and yeah, leave a comment. I want to interact with you guys more. So thanks for watching my video. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.